Okay, I'm ready. I can silence one of them.
You met a couple.
Or I can go throw a freaking ice trap under one.
Can you throw the ice trap now?
No, but I'll run up there and throw one. I'll put one.
That means you'll pull and you'll have all of them.
No,
Yep.
I'll wait till you pull.
That's fine. What I'll do is whatever one you freeze, you freeze.
Okay, that'll work. So I'm going to try to go to...
Like,
mark the one you're going to freeze.
Try to freeze. Yep, that's the one I was going to mark. So, right. Are we ready?
Yep.
Sure.
Just around the corner.
Oop.
I would come on the corner, Cal.
Trying
Those
to.
guys are going to range the hell out of you.
Fudge. Come on.
Come on.
Oh, jeez. Sorry, Greg. I didn't know you were going to freeze him again.
No.
He's
Do you
almost
need me to
dead.
come pick him up?
Yeah,
No.
he's almost dead.
No. Yep. Move. Move.
Oh, jeez. Running for me dies.
Yep.
Oh. Oh, it's a freaking piece of leather. Tells me, ooh, that's an increase.
A level
Yeah.
increase.
Yeah.
I hate that.
We got to kill the Beastmaster first.
Yeah, Scott, can I pull the Just a Beastmaster when he's over to the right?
Yes. Yeah, when he's right over there, yes. But the problem is he calls more.
Yes, I know. So you gotta.
See? Yeah.
So he does pull that one.
Come on.
Yes, he pulls those two guys. The problem is he's going to pull the next group. Yep. Yeah, bring him way back. Just bring him back.
Jim, did you... Oh, son of a bitch.
Both of these guys that are in front of me are under thunderclap. They're not going to freeze. Unfortunately. Oh, he brought the wolves. Eh.
And they come right from me.
Cat,
Of course. Ooh-wee. I am stunned. Can't heal. There we go. Now I'm healing. And there we go. And I'm out of mana.
And I'm cleaning
Oh,
up.
I'm in the freaking stuck in the thing.
Nope, and I'm dead. They were hitting me so hard I couldn't even cast a damn spell.
Well, I would suggest you run.
I can't see it. Damn it, I can't click a damn thing. What am I... There. Jeez.
That's it, I'm dead. Almost. You might be able to finish him off. Nicely done. I'm sorry, sweetie. I tried my best.
Oh, no big deal.
Could not get all of them.
Not a big deal.
That's the worst pull. For level appropriate, that's the worst pull.
Down in the one at the top of the stairs with all the guys who fear.
Yep. I'll be back.
Oh, you
I
didn't
am
put a
not-
soul stone on him?
I am not using my reincarnate right now.
Nope. Be a good idea to wait.
Smoke comes up their nose.
Yep.
That just happened to me. It sucks, right?
It's been more than a half an hour, so it's so still worn off. And I wasn't using my reincarnate. I'm gonna save that for a boss fight.
Nope. Yeah, no.
Hey, my jumper cables aren't working.
Nope.
Oh no.
Especially since you don't have any.
Because you don't have them. Oh my god, I was about to say something really bad.
Maybe I ought to switch from these shit bullets to the other bullet. Oh, come on, Cat. That was a joke. I told you I'd use them up.
Cat, come on, cat.
They are low-level bullets.
Why?
Okay.
Perhaps you go out the right side of honor hold.
Oh yes. What the heck?
Or if we had a what do you call it in the group, we could have summoned you.
Can't summon a dead person.
Where the heck is? Go again.
The raccoon is out.
You almost back, or I can summon. I can res you.
No, I can cross it.
Mhm. Okay. There we go.
That was close.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna charge them where they are so you can pull the blue guy out.
Okay. Okay.
There
Whenever
you
you're
go.
ready.
I just got whispered. Hold on. How far?
Damn it. Ice is on you.
That's fine.
Okay.
No, just informing.
Perfect timing.
Yep.
I got a golden ticket. I got a golden ticket for.
What happened to Zuki?
He died.
Die again. I'm gonna have to start putting a freeze trap in front of him.
Say when, Scott.
Nope. Go for it. Pretty much, if everybody settles and you see that riptide go over you, you're good to go.
Oh shit.
Ooh, I need a cloth headpiece.
There you go.
Yeah.
I always wanted a tiara.
Taking this guy before he moves back.
Yep.
Hello, we have important stuff to do like skinning.
That's fine. You can skin in a second.
I
will never
done
leave
did
behind
it.
skinning.
I done did it.
He definitely has his tiara on him, too. So
Ah,
he's running around in circles. So he's going from body to body trying to find that damn tiara.
Where
Rolls on
is it?
guns.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
It's the guns. Get the guns.
Hunters, warriors,
Rogues.
rogues.
Priests,
No,
mages.
now you're just saying it.
mhm.
What was the question? How far down does the path come?
All the way to the end. Oh, close. Sorry.
Oh,
Yeah.
just to the end of that hallway, not down this
no,
way.
no.
Yeah.
Thank goodness.
Hey, Kath, you want me misdirect on these guys?
Yes, I do.
That would be
Go
good.
get 'em. Ugly, go
Hold
get
on.
'em. You
Don't
can
do it yet.
Ugly,
Mm.
you can do it.
Do you want me to do anything specific?
Yeah, if you can grab the wolf that's going to come out.
That's right, yeah.
You
Okay.
ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
It'll come out in a second. Oh, boy. Sorry.
Why is the wolf on me? I
I
didn't do anything.
The skull guy froze.
Like, why the heck is the wolf on me? I didn't do anything. Uh-oh.
It's going to all die. But, you know.
It's okay. As long as I don't die first, we're good.
I'm just like,
Oh, they really made them angry.
I don't know. You did.
Don't being hit by I don't know whom.
The
What?
one I just pulled
He's
off. Yep.
good. Yep, that's fine. We're good.
The one you.
Excuse me.
Destroy that
Do,
cat.
do, do.
So did I attempt to freeze the wolf that you were not talking about?
Nope. It's just the wolf came straight with the rest of the pile. You needed to pull him off to the side.
Yeah.
I was directly in the path where we were going. That was all.
Uh,
Are you ready, Scott?
You betcha, as long as you are.
Do you want to
'Cause
pull
I'm
these guys
bringing-
first?
I'm already pulling.
Oh, okay. I forgot about that group.
Yeah, the guy's immediately left.
There are two ranged.
I'll get the
that are
farthest
coming.
one.
Just
Okay.
get him to shut up, and then he'll follow.
I'm bringing
Or
for you,
free.
Cat. See how you do without mana.
Hey, nope, don't you dare. You're not going to target anyone else but me. Back it up a little because I really don't like being so close to the boss.
Yeah. He should stay up there.
Nicely done. You want to misdirect the group that's straight across?
Just give me a couple seconds there.
Yeah, give them a couple seconds.
Let me get at least 50% mana here.
Amen to that.
Usually pretty good. Hey,
I mean, I can do whatever you want. I just need to know what you would like me to do. Which one?
That one. But we're going to wait till Scott says yes.
I'm good. Ready.
Okay, misdirect
Anytime.
that to me as soon as possible and then back up here because the boss is coming.
Okay, and Greg's doing that. Is that right?
Go for it. I hope so.
Yep,
Go for it anytime.
they're on you.
Oh, barely with that other pet.
Better hit her
Give
a
me a
couple
second.
times.
Ooh,
This guy didn't like my totem.
this guy didn't like me.
No, he
no
did.
kidding. Sheesh.
Someone was asking a question in general chat when I was coming back as a ghost. And it was a simple question, but I noticed she asked it twice. No one answered. So I answered.
That's what the game's about.
And I got a thank you for the helpful comments. Appreciated.
Do
Like,
we want to
no
get this
problem.
group first?
Oh, Jesus.
Sure. Bring them over.
Okay, I'll misdirect. Here they come. And it's bringing the green pearl too.
No. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, he
well,
just did.
Yeah,
Yep.
it should.
How?
I don't
We got everyone here?
Little bastard came over and knocked me on my ass.
Oh, nice. Thank you for punting me across the room.
Is he? Hold on, I got him.
What's your
Scott. Oh shit, he was dead before
No.
I could get him.
Hey, we're good. Oops, wrong one.
What?
Wrong guy. You, go get him.
You got a hunting problem.
A honey problem or a hunter problem?
Hunting problem.
He's probably got
That's
a.
for sure.
We got a Skinner problem. Keith's getting all the stuff.
That's good.
You want it?
Nope. Yep. Yeah, I'll send it to you. Cat.
Ooh.
Yeah, I got lots of scraps.
But like you.
I'll
have to
take all the scraps and turn it into regular knot hide. Just send me a bunch of it in the mail, and I'll just make it up. Send them to Keisha.
Oh, you can do. Okay, cool.
Yeah, and I'll make them up all up into regular leather because no one needs scraps,
Exactly.
and it takes forever, and you use up so much wasted
Yeah, you can
space.
squeeze them together.
I only have 663.
Only? Okay.
Well, then we can only give you back 332. 331.
Okay, Mark, and I'm sorry, Cat.
That's fine.
Okay, so what is the goal on this one?
Kill Skull first, then X, then do the
Then
big boss.
Okay.
Don't
so
hit the big boss.
you,
Don't
you
hit him.
don't.
Yep, don't even bother with boss.
Kill Kill Skull.
You know, let me know when you're ready to go. I am going to send the Fell
ready.
Hunter. Go. It's like I'm going to send the Fell Hunter in on the same guy that you're on. So he does his thing.
Skull X. Next.
Yep.
Yeah.
Hey, we should all be around him, but we're doing okay.
Yeah.
Just
He
because
does
he does charge. We're all
Yeah.
supposed to be on top of
Charge
him.
the farthest one.
Yep, which was me, unfortunately, but that's fine. It could be my warlock, whatever. He ain't gonna die. And he does it again.
Fine, I'll come to you, buddy.
I'm gonna nail them.
Yeah, I was mostly just asking if there was anything special we needed to do
Don't forget to
as
Hell
far
yeah.
as. Ooh.
Yep, if you got the quest, loot the body.
Does anyone else need the plate chest?
Nobody does.
I can't even use it. It's just for self, so greet it.
Yep, just greet it for cash.
Wait. I can't wear plate. I'm
Nope.
I'm on the hunter. Never mind. I'm greeting.
Yep,
Yep.
greet
If-
because I
If
get
someone wants to DE, then need it.
Pally.
My warlock can DE it if whatever, it's not a big deal.
I forgot that I wasn't on the Death Knight.
We shouldn't have to do that, group.
Nope, that's why I'm trying to go around him.
Yep.
But I marked him to see
We
if
just
he
make
came.
sure my warlock made it. He did.
Yes. Yes.
Jeez, I missed him twice.
Yeah, that's something new they put in the game. Miss.
Tux is a tank.
Good times.
Okay, we're gonna pull everybody back around the corner here.
Yep.
Okay.
And this is just a shit show. Always is a shit show.
Yep.
The only one I aim for first is skull in the middle.